Hari ini saya akan di makeover langsung dari produk Dior. Nah, yang make up wajah saya manajer Dior langsung. Duh, senengnya bukan main. Silakan tonton step by step makeover.
So I'm going to use this brush. Now what brush you use is important too to what coverage you get. So this is I use this foundation brush, it's a full coverage foundation brush. If you use something like this, you'll get a light coverage, but you want full. Okay?
Oh, I see. Yes.
So this foundation is also 24 hours wear. It's waterproof, so it's water based, it's so light in texture, so you can get a full coverage, but still feel like you're wearing no foundation.
Oh no, that is a full cover.
Yeah.
Foundation full cover ini cocok untuk wajah saya, bekas cacata sama
Because it's so
tahun
light in
lalu.
texture, it makes it buildable. And what that means is you can layer the foundation and it's still look natural on your skin, but you can just keep getting more coverage.
Walaupun tercover semua, tapi produk Dior full cover ini untuk foundationnya tetap ringan dan natural.
Can you see I'm patting it onto the skin with the brush? This foundation, it also has pansy extract in there and rosehip. Also, what that's going to do is hydrate your skin. Let's have a look in the mirror so we can just see the one side.
Oh my god.
So we get
Okay,
nice
that is
coverage.
yes. It's just much.
Yeah. No, I'm not using. I'm
that.
just patting it on.
Yes, it's much different.
Brighter.
That's right.
Because on your face you have redness, it can make you look more pink.
Yes.
Whereas this is making your skin look lighter and brighter because it's your skin tone. So this now is where the light is going to hit your face and make your skin look it's really nice and glowing. And then we're going to use just this one and just push that over the chin. And then right on the tip, we take the pink one and we just put it just on the apples of the cheek.
Highlight buat muka dan mata.
So then what we do with our finger, we use this one. If you close the eyes, and it's so easy to do. You just take it over the lid. And then we take the darker one on a different finger and we just put this one in the outer corner. And sometimes like the more messy you are, the better it looks. So don't kind of worry about being perfect because this is a really easy everyday. So this one, okay, and this is the colour we're going to use to create our shape. And also we're going to use our concealer, which is also going to help us make it look like we have more shape. So we're going underneath first and then back in.
Is it this special
Brush.
like
Yeah,
that? Is it?
so this it's an angle, it may help you to make a straight line, but you can make like hairs with it too. So then we're going to come back on top here. So you want to create an arch with this one. Then we always use the brush just to brush it through to make it look more natural. You want to do
Yes.
from here,
Okay.
okay?
Okay.
We go underneath, and then on top here, and then in between. Yeah?
Yes. It's good.
A special brush. Okay, so what we first start with this one.
Membuat garis wajah atau contour.
And we push it onto the face, and this is going to make a line. So if you look, turn your head this way. So we
yes.
make the line with the brush.
Okay.
It's the work for you.
I've never seen a brush like that.
Yeah? You
Yes.
think it's like a stamp? You
Yes,
just stamp
that's
it on.
right. It looks like stamp. Yes, you are right.
Because sometimes with these brushes they're too hard. Because this is very soft here, you can blend the product. Let's have a look in the room. It's also going to kind of set it and make you still look nice and glowy and natural. So if you close for me. Now you can use this before makeup too, but I like to use it before and after.
Yes, I will take it then.
It's beautiful.
Yes.
So,
Backstage studio exclusive Dior.
then I can show you what this is what we used. I want to use that one too. And these are the main brushes. The blusher brush you could probably have one at home.
Akhirnya saya dapat kesempatan makeover backstage exclusive Dior. Yeay, dapat produk eksklusif Dior dan VIP card from Dior.
Look at the front.
Hasil makeup fresh, ringan, simple, natural, dan elegan. Terima kasih sudah menonton video saya. Tunggu video-video kecantikan selanjutnya. Untuk order silakan follow IG YuniTheShopper.